Hi there, this is Rafsan. Welcome back to my channel. In this video today we are going to talk about how to post or delete in Instagram post using your PC or Mac. Yes, you can do it easily. Before we jump into the video, subscribe and hit the bell icon and also like this video. Alright, now let's jump right into this video. If you use Instagram in mobile or tablet, you can easily post or delete in Instagram post. But when you on your PC, you cannot post any photo or delete or modify any post from your PC. Today I will show you how you can post or delete Instagram post using your Mac or PC. First of all, go to instagram.com. Use any browser, Firefox or Google Chrome. Then log in your account using Facebook or user ID and password. Then right click on your Chrome or Firefox browser. You will see in the end Inspect. Then click Inspect or use Ctrl+Shift+I for shortcut. Then you will find a option Toggle Device Toolbar or press Ctrl+Shift+M for shortcut. Wow, it's magic. Then refresh the page. After refreshing, you will find in the below plus sign for upload post. Let's post a photo. Now we have post. You can also delete any post from your computer using this method. I hope this video can help you. If you have any question, leave those questions below in the comment section. Before you go, make sure you have subscribed. Hit the bell icon and also like this video. I will see you on the next one. Bye for now. Take care.